Welcome to this guided meditation practice for anxiety. Allow yourself to settle into a comfortable posture, keeping your back straight but relaxed. Rest your hands softly in your lap. And once you're settled in, gently close your eyes. With your eyes closed, begin to connect with your breath that is flowing freely through your body. Notice its easy and effortless nature. As you shift your attention to your breath, you allow your concerns to slowly be replaced with feelings of relaxation. Give yourself permission to welcome in feelings of comfort and peace as you set all your responsibilities aside. Let's deepen our sense of connectedness to our inner calm by taking a couple of deep, soothing breaths. To begin, consciously loosen your belly. Allow it to completely relax without holding any tension in your muscles. Let it be soft. Prepare to breathe slowly through your nose, taking your time to follow the path of the breath. As you inhale, follow the breath all the way down through your nose, throat, and chest, all the way down into your belly. Feel your belly expand as you exhale slowly through pursed lips. Feel your belly sink back towards your spine as you release the breath. See if you can continue to follow your breath as it moves along this path through your body. So just fill up your belly on the in-breath and empty your belly completely on the out-breath. Follow the journey of the breath from the very start of an inhale to the slight pause in the middle, and to the very end of an exhale. Inhale deeply, keeping your belly soft and relaxed, and slowly letting it all go. Take another deep breath in. And exhale slowly. Notice the calming nature of your breath as you allow it to return to its natural soothing rhythm. Allow the gentle movements of your breath to guide you into complete inner stillness. Enjoy the sensations of your lungs expanding, creating a sense of openness. And as you exhale, feel the softening of your chest as the air passes through your nose. Experience the journey of your breath without holding on to any desires to change it. Allow your shoulders to drop down even deeper. Feel all your tension and worry be carried away by your breath. Notice how it feels to be still. Feel a sense of gratefulness for spending some quality time with yourself without any judgment, without any expectations, and without any tension. Continue to focus on the natural flow of your breath, And if at any point you become distracted, it's okay. Simply acknowledge that your thoughts have strayed and gently return your attention back to the sensations of your breath. Notice just how pleasantly your body is becoming relaxed. Notice the softening of the muscles in your face. Notice the softening in your shoulders and arms. Notice the softening in your chest, stomach, legs, and feet. Your entire body is becoming soft and light. With each new breath, there is more space to invite in more peace and relaxation. Take a few moments to rest in this awareness of your breath, coming in and out of your body with great ease. It is grounding you and supporting you in your journey of this mindful rest. As you breathe slowly and steadily, set an intention here to let go of your anxiety. Notice how with every exhale, you feel more and more deeply relaxed. Imagine this relaxation flow down from the top of your head all the way down to your toes, like a shower of tranquility. Allow the relaxation to flow down your chest, arms, hands, and fingers. Noticing and enjoying how the relaxation continues to flow down to your stomach and down your back. Down further and further, deeper and deeper. That comfortable and soothing feeling of relaxation flows to your hips and your thighs. It flows down your knees and your calves, all the way down to your feet and your toes. Notice if there is any change in your breathing. Does it feel more natural and relaxed? Notice how you feel. Remember, this is your personal space. This is your time. And now I invite you to repeat the following phrases as you continue to breathe gently. Breathing in, I feel calm. Breathing out, I feel at ease. I release all my worries and anxieties. You may continue to repeat this phrase for as long as it feels comfortable for you, taking slow, gentle breaths, allowing each and every breath to release all your worries and concerns, bringing you closer to the feeling of inner peace within you that is available for you at any time, whenever you may need it. As this practice draws to an end, take a moment to notice how you feel. Begin to wiggle your toes and fingers. And when you are ready, open your eyes.